So hello friends, this is the Eurasian Construction Equipment channel. My name is Eugene and today I want to announce a new machine in our lineup. We called it the GP16T. This machine will be the smallest in our lineup. It will be a little weaker than GP30T, but it will be suitable for customers who bend sheets not up to 16 thickness, but up to 10 thickness. So there will be a more modest machine, but it will be more affordable. And now I want to show you its 3D model and tell you what innovations we have introduced into it. So here we see, there will be already 2 rods, i.e. the slider will consist of 2 parts. We did this so that the structure would have a lot of rigidity, and it will have a matrix height, which means the maximum rebate it can bend is 250 millimeters. So if we had 450 on the 30th machine, we're down to 250. But at the expense of this, the machine itself will also be smaller, it requires less effort, and so on. And the design itself is very similar to the GP60 and GP100 series machines. Why? Because here we have such a slope for the operator 30, we do not have such a slope here. It will be to make it more comfortable for the operator to work on this machine and to make it more rigid. Let's spin it around, twirl it around, see what it looks like. Well, naturally, you don't have to look at the colors here, the colors are just working colors. So right now we have black and red in the lineup. So we changed the color from blue to blue and white. Yeah, we had one before, now it's black and red. So we're gonna make this wall like that, too. But if you have any custom color requirements, we will paint it for you the way you want it. There will already be a flanged hydraulic cylinder here. You can't see it much on the 3D model here, but it's going to be flanged here. I mean, we used to put a hydraulic cylinder on the 30. It was more like that, you could say, to tractor types of hydraulic cylinders, that is, for tractors, what kind of cylinders were used and so on. It is a narrow hydraulic cylinder that will be used only for this particular machine and no other design or modification can be used, so it will be a flanged cylinder, and it will be more reliable. And now I suggest you go to the workshop and look at the assembly of this machine. We already have a customer for it, 2 customers even, and one of these machines is already in the shop being assembled. So let's go to the shop. Guys, I'm standing in front of a GP30T right now. I want you to fix in your mind's eye what size it is. And we're going to move abruptly now to the little GP16T machine, and you'll see what it's going to look like in terms of dimensions. Come on. Okay, here it is, our little GP16T machine. It's getting scaled now, like I said. We've already got 2 orders for him. You too, by the way, can use the link in the description to leave orders for him. We will calculate the cost for you, send you a quotation. You can see, yes, that it is much smaller than the GP30T, well, and, accordingly, and its capabilities are less, but it is also kind of suitable for smaller manufacturers who are engaged in screw piles, or the production of some small conveyors. The maximum thickness it can bend is 10 millimeters and the height of the rebar it can bend is 250 millimeters. That's what his characterization effort is all about. Okay, folks, here's the announcement video. You can order this smog right now. There will be a link in the description. That's where you'll fill out the form. A manager will be in touch with you, billing you a CP. And we will cooperate. That's it, until the next videos. Goodbye.